Here we go, Happy Loops roller coaster, spinning little roller coaster here at Energylandia. It's gonna be really fun to see how this is. I've seen quite a few of these. Yeah, it is a little spinny. I've seen quite a few of these, but I've never ridden one. Woohoo! Okay, that started good. I liked it. I mean, it's for kids, but this is fun. Woohoo! This is really fun, I have to say. this for being a very small roller coaster, this is great.
It's great.
This is great. I'm bouncing my head though.
Yeah.
That hurts a little bit. I would like to have some kind of cushion for your head, but except from that,
It's perfect.
this is great. I wonder how many laps it does.
It's so spinny. I didn't count.
I have to say though, yeah, this would actually be a great addition to Liseberg at some place. This is great. It's really nice. Okay, we do one more lap apparently. I'm not sure how many we have done. Got a little view of the water park here at Energylandia, which is now closed. Yes.
Yes, we are. Yeah.
Happy Loops at Energylandia.